come so far through the struggle and the strain. I'll find the light, gonna keep on climbing, reaching new heights. So here's to the fighters, the dreamers, the brave, to the ones who keep on no matter